A windy day out there.
Yeah, that's been the big story for us today. I've seen some wind gusts through the area upwards of 60 miles per hour. So usually you're talking severe thunderstorms that put out wind gusts like that, but the background environment just behind this area of low pressure, subsiding air has helped really push some strong winds. So still a high wind warning out for a lot of eastern Nebraska. That excludes extreme southeast Nebraska. That's where they're under a wind advisory, and that's mostly for Iowa and is also extreme northwest Missouri for our viewing area. That'll run until 6 o'clock. Then we'll start that slow digression, I guess we could say, of winds calming down later tonight. There's a look outside Lewis and Clark Monument facing to the west. We get a nice sunset for you. 22 degrees. The northwest wind still blowing strong at 28 miles per hour. It's kind of one of those days where it's either going to be tough to open your car door or tough to close it. One of the two, excuse me. 23 for Millard, 21 Council Bluffs. Blair, you were at 22 degrees. You brought it out and you see the colder temperatures still for west central Iowa. That's where there's still some snowpack on the ground. They're in the teens. Everyone else still holding on to the 20s. And that goes for wind speeds as well. These are the constant winds you've been feeling throughout the day, which is actually a little bit better than what we had earlier. I've seen straight line winds 30 miles per hour. Now we're into the 20s with winds gusting. So this is the strong push of wind you feel from time to time. Still 47 miles per hour for Omaha. Denison clocking in at 48. Only 28 though in Lincoln. So the further west you go, that's where you're kind of separating yourselves to more of a distance with this system, and that's where the winds will be a little bit calmer. Still some flurries. Those are beginning to diminish as well as we're kind of behind the deck of clouds now with this system that's transitioning off to the Great Lakes. So we're pretty much done with the rain that came through early this morning, and now the flurries as well. And you can see the atmospheric river in the Pacific Northwest. That's hammering them with rain and some snow over the mountains. But for us, as high pressure takes over tonight, temperatures will stay in the 20s, eventually the teens late tonight, but the wind will keep going until around, say, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, but completely calming overnight. So there's the north wind moving towards the Great Lakes, high pressure taking over for the overnight hours. We do get a south breeze back on the other side of high pressure tomorrow, but it's a warmer air direction, and we'll even have a good bit of sunshine tomorrow, but still a bit of a breeze. It'll push temperatures at least into the lower 40s. Low temperatures for tonight with high pressure overhead in the teens outside with that calming breeze. 43 degrees into the afternoon. Again, a little bit breezy for tomorrow, but we get the mild temperatures back. The warmer air direction will help us out a little bit. We stay in the 40s through Sunday, which is the start of winter. Monday, Tuesday, we're in the lower 50s. And check out the holidays. Wednesday, which is Christmas Eve, at 54 degrees with partly cloudy skies. We may do warmer than that on Christmas Day. The record for Christmas Day is 57. That is what we're forecasting here. So it doesn't look like any holiday travel impacts. It's just going to be a warm one for us, which I know some people will love and others will be like, why don't we have a white Christmas in the forecast?